Alright, so this week on Bike Man Jr., we're doing something kind of strange. So, spring of 2020, the world shut down, and I was bored. So I took my sister's tricycle, painted it black, and called it the Bruise. And so now, what we're gonna do is we are gonna dig out a ratchet strap from our towing box. We're gonna ratchet strap the tricycle to the back of my bike. I'm gonna see if I can tow Ani across the sidewalk. So this is the tricycle that I painted black in the spring. It is absolutely hilarious. There was like a bucket spacer on the back, so now there's axle play. Right, I can tell Ani just needs a push. Going down. All right, let's go find a ratchet strap. Here's the good stuff. Let's go with green. I'm in a green kind of mood right now. Does the tricycle need anything before we start?
It's tricky to pedal.
Well, that's fine, because you just need to put your feet on the top of the fork and I pull you. That's it. Okay, the action is about to start. This is gonna get a little crazy. Strap in. Don't want you getting hurt. All right, I'm gonna pull up right in front of you. So you just focus on getting safe and I'll strap us in. Okay, here we go. Minnie, your hook. You get it good?
Wait, what about that thing?
We'll take the slack out first. All right, almost ready.
I'm being pulled.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
Oh wow, we're doing it.
It's touching the wheel, bro.
Oh, that's not a good thing. All right, I'm gonna try hooking it to my seat rail instead. Here we go. Trying again. Oh, we're doing it. You still there? Oh wow, I felt that. Oh my.
Gotta take a lot of strikes, bro.
Yeah.
You know it.
I think I need a little bit of time to get the speed, so I'm backing up a little bit. All right, here we go. Oh, wow.
If you want, I can help you pedal.
I need you to pedal a little bit to get going, and then I can take over.
All right.
You ready?
Keep going.
Oh, we're doing it! We're doing it! All right, feet up, Minnie.
Girl.
Oh, we're doing it! We're doing it! Oh my, this is crazy! We're doing it! We're doing it! I'm dragging my sister with a ratchet strap! All right, stop.
That was awesome, dude.
You ready?
In position. Go. Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah.
Ani, are your feet up?
Yep, they are.
During the editing of this video, I was doing some tricks on Halloween night on the Bruise, and I had been getting really good at quarter turns. Then all of a sudden, I almost nailed a half turn, and when I landed, I snapped a wheel. Pretty intense, huh?